Habang kumakain po ako ng hapunan na binigay ng ating Panginoon Diyos, nanonood po ako ng balita tungkol sa impeachment. At itong nakasalang pong witness na kino-question ngayon, ito po yung witness ni Sara nung araw sa nakaraang Congress na pinadala niya dahil nagsisinungaling siya, sakit po ito. Sakit siya. Dahil po sa paglulubid ng kasi nangulingan nung nakaraang Congress. Ano po? Sa investigasyon tungkol sa mga confidential pa ni VP Sara. Okay, nandito po. Siya na naman ang nakaupo ngayon. Sa Blue Ribbon Committee naman. Ng impeachment. Yung sinasabi ko yung nung araw pa sa Blue Ribbon Committee, pero ngayon nasa impeachment na po siya. Okay, pakinggan natin.
Trial is resumed. For the information of the counsel for the parties, we shall only be holding trial given the inclement weather until 2 p.m. this afternoon, and we shall convene session according to the Senate President at 2:30 p.m. So kindly be aware of the time, Attorney Ligutan, and if at all we reach cross, kindly be aware of the time. Ma'am Gina, patuloy po kayo magtetestigo sa ilalim ng pareho yung pinanumpaan kanina. Naunawaan niyo po yan?
Opo, Your Honor.
Okay. Attorney Ligutan, your witness.
Gina Acosta. Kung naalala ninyo, dahil sa pagsisunod noon, sakit ito. Sakit dahil sa kakasinungaling. Tingnan natin ngayon kung ganyan pa siya.
Tuloy po kayo magtetestigo sa ilalim ng pareho yung pinanumpaan kanina. Naunawaan niyo po yan?
Opo, Your Honor.
Okay. Attorney Ligutan, your witness.
Hello? Madam Witness, now, kanina, nabanggit mo na si Colonel Lachica yung nagbibigay sa iyo ng inputs, ano yung isusulat sa plano, at saka sa liquidation, saka accomplishment reports. Kanina rin, if the record will bear me out, in fact, nasabi mo rin, na siya rin yung may alam sa pag-i-implement ng mga sinasabi niyong confidential activities. Okay, na pinagagamitan ng confidential funds. Now, yung tanong now is, ma'am, empleyado ba ng Office of the Vice President si Colonel Lachica?
Siya po ang itinalaga na security officer ng Office of the Vice President, Your Honor.
Yung tanong, I think is simple.
Ma'am Gina, pag sinabi niyo security, sagot niyo po kanina, siya ang commanding officer ng VP-SPG. Sinabi niyo rin po na siya ang security officer ng OVP. Meron po ba siyang appointment at sweldong tinatanggap bilang security officer ng OVP? Wala po.
Hindi ko po alam, Your Honor, kung may sahod po siya. Pero ang alam ko, meron po siyang office order na siya po ang security officer ng Office of the Vice President.
Okay. Your witness, counsel?
I think the question is simple, ma'am. Sa alam nyo, sa pagkakaalam nyo, I'm not asking ano yung designation niya. I think you are more than competent to answer this question. Empleyado ba ng Office of the Vice President si Colonel Lachica?
Ask and answer, Your Honor.
Honor, no answer yet.
Witness will answer, please. Kung alam niyo po.
Ang alam ko po, siya po ang security officer, Your Honor. Yun lang po ang alam ko.
That was his answer, counsel. Her answer, rather.
All right now. Madam Witness, I'm showing you now yung isang letter galing sa Office of the Vice President may pitsang November 30, 2023. Firmado ng isang Lemuel Ortonio. They're confronting you with the documents, Attorney J, and the letter is also being shown on our screen.
Assisting counsels may approach. Kindly zoom in to the relevant portion.
Okay. According to this letter, ma'am, November 30, 2023, nakasulat dyan na as early as July 2022, yung OVP nakapag-identify na ng mga programa tsaka surveillance activities na sinasabi dyan intertwined with matters of national security. Yung letter is dated November 30, 2023, pero nakasulat dyan as early as July 2022, nakapag-identify ng mga programa. Aware ka ba sa letter na ito? Yes or no? Aware ka hindi?
Aware po ako, Your
Now,
Honor.
in fact, aware ka rin na itong letter na ito yung tugon, reply ng OVP through Ortonio sa Audit Observation Memorandum. Aware ka rin yan, di ba?
Yes, Your Honor.
Now, based sa letter na ito, ma'am, programs saka surveillance activities na sinasabi nyo intertwined with national security, sinasabi nyo na-identify na as early as July 2022, and you will agree with me, ma'am, kung July pa lang, 2022, andyan na yan, kailangan sinama nyo. Isinama nyo, dapat yan, sa physical and financial plan para sa fourth quarter ng 2022, which you submitted December 13, 2022, months after identify ng office nyo yung mga specific activities. Did you get the question?
Your Honor, Your Honor, saan po dito yung sinabi mo na activities, Your Honor?
Nasa screen, these programs, program goals are inextricably intertwined with matters of national security. July,
Assisting counsel, kindly point it out on page 2.
page 2.
Kindly point it out to the witness. What counsel is referring to?
Sir,
Okay.
ano po yung question?
Yung tanong now is, di ba dapat isinama nyo ito, yung mga sinasabi nyo mga specific activities sa physical and financial plan for the fourth quarter 2022, which is dated December 13, 2022. Isinama nyo ba yan?
Objection, Your Honor. Argumentative, Your Honor.
Rephrase counsel.
Okay.
I get the point of the objection of the counsel. Sustain.
Okay,
Kindly
now,
rephrase.
hindi po ba those should have been reflected in the physical and financial plan for the fourth quarter of 2022.
Same objection, Your Honor.
Ma'am Gina,
Yes, Your Honor.
bakit di niyo po sinama yung mga bagay na yan dun sa physical and financial plan ng 2022? Kung Hulyo pa lang, may ganyan na pala, bakit hindi niyo po yan sinama sa 2022 fiscal and financial plan? Physical and financial plan.
Sir, ito po ba yung target property alleviation, threats to peace and order, and the promotion of economic development po?
Counsel?
I think the public knows whether the witnesses answer the question. But I will move on this.
Move forward, Counsel.
Thank you.
Thank
Now, Madam, let's go to this cash encashment for the 2020 check encashment para sa 2022 confidential funds. Now, pinapakita sa iyo ngayon yung isang cheque may petsang December 20, 2022. Okay? As well as yung nasa likod ng cheque iyan. Okay? Yung cheque iyan has been previously marked as Exhibit P, I, 28, small letter A, and P, I, 28, small letter A, 1. Yung tanong, you personally encashed, ikaw mismo yung nag-encash ng 125 million pesos cash advance ng confidential funds noong December 20, 2022, correct?
Opo, sir.
And then, ma'am, na-encash mo yan only pagkatapos yung cheque maibigay sa iyo. Tama po ba?
Yes, sir.
Tanong, kailan ba na-encash yung cheque ito? Diba? December 20, 2022?
Yes, sir.
And hindi po ba, bago ma-release yung cheque sa iyo, yung cheque niyan, kailangan mo nang iprepara at saka dapat pirmado ng chief accountant. Tama po ba?
Nagpirma po.
No, ma'am. The question is, tama po ba na bago nyo ma-release, bago nyo natanggap yung cheque niyan, kailangan i-prepare muna at saka pirmahan?
I-prepare po ng accountant po.
Yes. Okay, now. And of course, madam, yung cheque niyan, na-prepare lang, na-pirmahan lang, na-release sa'yo lang, only after the required disbursement voucher had been signed and approved. Tama po ba?
Opo.
If you can remember, ma'am, yung disbursement voucher na pirmahan tsaka na approved same day, December 20, 2022. Tama po ba?
Yung
Voucher.
date ng voucher
Opo.
at saka date ng cheque.
On the same day.
Yes, Your Honor.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. In fact, yun yung disbursement voucher dated December 20, 2022, Exhibit P, I-10A. Now, yung voucher na iyan, pirmado ng VP Sara Duterte, Julieta Villa del Rey, tsaka Lemuel Orsoño. Tama po ba?
Your Honor, di ko mabasa yung
Ano
after
witness
my
Assistant
name.
Counsel, kindly
Kung order
furnish,
niyo po yun.
kindly furnish Gina a copy of the disbursement voucher.
It's in her possession at the moment, Your Honor.
Voucher.
Disbursement voucher for the last quarter of 2022, Ma'am Gina.
Primarily. Di kasi klaro po yung
Anyways,
perma dito. Ang maklaro ko lang dito, Your Honor, is my perma po.
Yes.
Signature. And then, may perma po dito ng accountant namin. Pero yung sa gitna, hindi po kasi klaro dito, Your Honor.
Okay.
Move on, Counsel.
Now, madam, yung disbursement voucher, yung pag-prepare, pag-paperma, tsaka pag-re-release ng cheque, yung date ng cheque, tsaka yung pag-i-encash ng cheque, they all happen on the same day, December 20, 2022. Tama po ba?
Tama po, Your Honor.
How much was the amount encashed on that day? 125 million pesos, di po ba?
Yes po.
You encashed this check sa Land Bank Shaw Boulevard branch. Tama po ba?
Yes po.
Now, listen to this question now. For unusual amounts like 125 million pesos, yung bangko kailangan manotify yung bangko isang araw minimum for at least 2 days before ma-encash yung cheque para ma-prepare, maihanda yung cash. Ito yung na-mention ni Miss Violeta Constantino, then Department Manager ng Land Bank Show Boulevard when she testified. Do you confirm this practice?
Objection, Your Honor.
What's the objection?
The question is misleading, Your Honor. There's no testimony as to unusual amount, Your Honor.
There was counsel. There was counsel.
Not by the witness, Your Honor.
Not by this witness, but by the land bank, by the land bank executive.
Okay? Hindi po ba kailangan mo-notify muna yung bangko a day or two?
May we ask the prosecution to repeat the question, Your
Or at least
Honor?
I didn't know a ruling.
If she knows,
Yes.
Ma'am Gina, kayo po ba ay nag-i-inform sa bangko o may kailangan po ba mag-inform sa bangko na mag-withdraw kayo ng ganito kalaking pera?
Ganito po, Your Honor, nang handa na po ang cheque, tumawag po ang aming cash division na Ma'am Gina, handa na po ang cheque at pwede mo nang ipa-encash sa bangko.
Not responsive? Okay. Now,
Continue, counsel.
by what time did you go to Land Bank on December 20, 2022?
Mga around 2 to 2:30 nakaabot dito, Your Honor.
2 to 2:30, hindi 3 p.m.
Mga ganyan na, Your
Your Honor,
Honor.
witness already answered.
Wait, I'm just clarifying because that's what she said in the hearing. Anyway, so it's 2:30, and then when confronted with another option, 3 p.m., yung sagot mo, mga ganyan. So it includes 3 p.m. Tama po ba?
Basta naabot ko dito, Your Honor, mga 2 to 2:30. Ano, Your Honor.
Alright, now, by the time you arrive at the bank on December 20, 2022, yung 125 million pesos in cash nakahanda na, di po ba, for your withdrawal?
Sa pagkaalam ko, nakahanda na kasi
Yes.
tumawag po ang aming cash division, Your Honor, na kunin ko na ang cheque at pwede na ding ipa-encash sa bangko.
Yes. Ibig sabihin, at least, na-notify ng opisina nyo yung land bank a day before December 20, 2022 na mag-i-encash kayo ng ganun kahalaking halaga. 125 million pesos sa araw na yan, December 20, 2022. Tama po ba?
Tama po, Your
Tama
Honor.
po. Now, meaning, yung land bank na-notify na ihanda yung 125 million pesos bago pa man maaprubahan ang disbursement voucher, bago pa man maihanda, mapirmahan, tsaka ma-release ang cheque sa inyo.
Objection, Your Honor, misleading. There's no testimony as regards that.
Objection is sustained, counsel. There's no basis for that yet.
I mean, can I ask, what's the basis for it so I can
The court
report?
already ruled.
The ground for
Miss Nabish,
objection,
I'm asking
counsel,
you
is
what's
misleading.
the-
The basis for that question has not yet been laid. The witness did not say anything about informing the bank before the voucher or checks were prepared.
Okay, anyway, Your Honor, please, we'll move to the next point. Voucher was signed, prepared, check was signed, prepared, released to you on the same day. So, hindi ba yun pagpa-fast track? Pagpa-fast track na pag-i-encash ng 125 million pesos on the same day.
Objection, Your Honor. Vague and argumentative.
Overruled. Witness may answer. Court would like to know her answer.
Hindi ba minadali yung pag-disburse ng disbursement voucher, pag-prepare ng cheque, pag-i-encash on the same day, 125 million pesos? Yes or no?
dumaan po siya sa regular na proseso namin sa office, Your Honor.
Being made again now as the SDO and Project Accountable Officer. Hindi po ba na yung pagmamadaling yan, ikaw yung nag-utos yan? Tama po ba?
Hindi po ako nag-utos, Your Honor.
Okay. Sino ang nag-utos sa inyo?
Basta gi-process po yun, Your Honor, on a regular processing po, Your Honor.
Ma'am, I think I have to repeat the question, Your Honor, because she did not answer the question. Minadali, may nag-utos, when asked sino nag-utos, sabi mo, hindi ikaw. I will ask this question again. Yung publiko are very much waiting for an answer. Sino ang nag-utos ng pagmamadali, ng pag-encash, ng checking yan, 125 million sa araw na yan?
Objection, Your Honor, misleading.
Objection is sustained again,
Okay,
counsel.
now.
There's no base. The pagmamadali did not come from the witness, counsel. It came from your question. She
Your
said
Honor, please.
it went through the regular process of their office. Whether the
Yes.
regular process of their office is that fast or whatever, it's up to
Okay.
her.
Yes, Your Honor, please. I'll now go to the next point. Now, let's go back to the time you encashed 125 billion pesos. Pagkatapos ma-verify ng bank teller yung identification at saka pagkatapos i-approve yung pag-i-encash ng checking yan, di po ba you were instructed na magpunta sa backroom ng bangko?
Objection, Your Honor, misleading, Your Honor. The witness hasn't testified yet.
Well,
The
I'm asking
teller
for confirmation.
is
It
verified.
may be leading, but it's okay to ask leading questions because this was testified to by another witness from Land
misleading.
Bank that she went to the back room.
Just to clarify, Your Honor,
Yes.
the objection is grounded on that it is misleading, Your Honor, because there's no testimony yet that bank teller, any bank teller verified, Your Honor. There's no testimony yet from the witness, Your Honor.
No testimony. He is cross-examining. Rather, he is asking the witness on the basis of the testimony given before the court counsel by a land bank official that Gina and, if I recall correctly, Colonel Lachica and Aurora Tonyo went to the back room of the bank. And the bank officer, in fact, if I remember correctly, testified that there was a door leading to the to another exit.
Yes,
I
Your Honor.
presume.
Yes, Your Honor.
Your Honor,
I think
That pertains to DepEd counsel.
Your Honor,
Yes.
that may be the case, Your Honor, but it hasn't yet testified by the witness. So, with due respect to the prosecution, the proper basis must be laid, Your Honor.
Already ruled about
Modify for this one, counsel.
Okay.
I
I
stand
will-
corrected with respect to the backdoor testimony that it connected to DepEd. I distinctly remember that, not with the OVP. I stand corrected.
Backroom, Your Honor. I'm asking for the backroom. Now, isn't it? Isn't it? Okay? In that afternoon, you were instructed to the backroom of the bank. Di po ba?
Ano po yun? Backroom. Backroom.
Backroom po, backroom.
Sorry po, sir, ha.
It's okay.
Sorry po.
Attorney Likudan, kwarto
Backroom.
sa likod o banyo?
Kwarto sa likod.
Kwarto sa...
Wala pong kwarto sa likod, Your Honor.
Okay, okay. Okay, now. The question is simple. Saan yung nakita yung 125 million pesos na in-encash nyo sa araw na iyon sa loob ng bangko?
Doon po sa may likod ng teller, Your Honor.
Yan. Okay, now. Sa likod
Open
ng...
space po,
Okay. Sa likod ng
teller.
teller. Now, ma'am, can you describe for us, to give us a mental picture, how big the pile of 125 billion pesos in cold cash is? If I describe,
Sorry, sir, ha, pero dili kayo po well-versed sa mga measurement. Pero
We will help you.
nakasulod siya sa, nakalagay siya sa box na nakabundle tag 1 million ang isa ka bundle na nakabalot o cellophane na silyado pa.
Sinasabi mo, ma'am, na hindi ka well-versed sa measurement. Tama po ba? Diba? Now, I will show you a simulated representation of 125 million pesos. Sinabi mo 1,000 peso bill, di ba? So, go to the screen, please.
Cancel.
You tell the public, ma'am, if yung nakita mong 125 million pesos in cold cash.
Your Honor.
Wait. You're not done. Not done.
Counsel, to finish the question,
Okay.
Attorney
Mhm.
Bacuel.
Can you please confirm if the cold cash you saw 125 million pesos, do they look like that?
Your Honor.
Counsel,
Before the prosecution proceeds with the question, can we just ask as to the source of the photo and how it was generated and produced?
yes, counsel, either it is distorted because the 1,000 peso bills look bigger.
Yeah, well,
Is this AI?
I mean,
yes, of course. That is simulated.
Okay.
Is
Because
this
we don't,
AI?
wait. Because we don't have 125 million pesos in cold cash. So we have to resort to technology.
Is that, Your Honor, artificial intelligence? This is AI
Yes.
generated?
Yes.
Counsel, if you will allow the presiding officer. Ma'am Gina, sabi niyo nakalagay po sa kahon, tigi 1,000 bundle. Ilang kahon po?
Dalawa, Your Honor.
Gaano kalaki po yung kahon? Gamitin niyo po yung kamay niyo. Gaano kataas po? Gaano kataas? Gaano kataas po? Yung kamay niyo po sa baba, pakipat yan, para makita po natin. Ganyan kataas at ganito kalapad. Kasing lapad po ng witness stand. 125 million po yan, dalawang kahong ganyan.
Opo, Your Honor.
Binilang niyo po ba? Tinanggal niyo po ba mula sa kahon? O hindi na?
Tinanggal po sa kahon, Your Honor.
Pagkatanggal niyo sa kahon, binalik niyo ba sa kahon?
Hindi po, Your Honor.
Saan niyo na nilagay?
Nilagay ko po sa aking 4 na bag.
Ito po yung duffel bag.
Parang traveling bag po, Your Honor, na oblong.
Traveling bag, 4 pong gano'n.
Yes, Your Honor.
The procedure,
Your witness, counsel?
sinabi mo ba na yung 125 million pesos nakabundle into 1,000 peso bills? Tapos isa kang bundle is 1 million pesos. Again, para sa ating mga kababayan na hindi pa nakakita, how does the 1 million file is?
Counsel, is that an actual thing again or a reproduction?
Your Honor,
Yes, while you're showing the witness, Attorney Bakel.
may we just interpose an objection as regards presenting the witness those props, Your Honor, in as much as the parties are uncertain, the defense is uncertain as to how is that accurate representation of what the prosecution claims to be, Your Honor.
I will ask the question once again.
Before I rule on the objection, yes, counsel, ask your question. And kindly don't cover Miss Gina.
Suspect. Ma'am, sinabi mo, yung 125 billion pesos naka-file by 1 million peso each. Tama po ba? And then, yung bills ginamit is 1,000. Tama po ba? Sinabi mo, hindi ka well-versed sa measurement. Yung sabi mo, di ba? Kaya nga, ito yung simulated 10 bundles. The size is similar to 1,000 peso bills. Ma'am, Yung 1,000,000, pwede niyo pong hawakan if you want. If you want lang ha. Nalagidagan mo ha. Now, yung 1,000,000 pesos, kamukha ba ng isang bundle na ito?
Your Honor,
Wait.
Is that your question, Attorney?
Yes.
Ligotan? Yes, Attorney Baquel.
Your Honor, we manifest that upon the examination of assisting counsel, these appear to be just blue-colored lengthwise papers wrapped in plastic with 10 bundles. How is this an accurate representation of the size of whatever the prosecution claims to be, Your Honor? They are yet
Well,
to lay the proper basis as regards this.
Counsel
Your Honor.
claims it's a mere simulation. If that is an objection, counsel, I will have to overrule the objection. Witness will please answer. Ma'am, parang ganyan po ba yung bundle ng tig 1,000 withdraw ninyo?
Your Honor, may I know po kung ito po ay is this 100,000?
Yes.
Is this
I
100,000?
think we did
Sa
not-
pagkakaalala niyo po, kung tagi 1,000 po yan, 10 bundle ng tagi 1,000 na ang kabuuan ay 1,000,000 sa isang balot ng plastic. Ganyan po ba yung itsura ng inyong withdraw? Yung bundle po yung bundle.
Basta nakabalot lang po siya ng silupin, Your Honor, tapos binilang po namin.
Ma'am, when you say cellophane plastic,
Plastic.
Ito, Your Honor.
kaya so ganyan po yung size.
Oo, nakasilyo po, Your Honor.
Bagong pera po ba? Lumang pera?
Bagong pera po, Your Honor.
Okay, so mga ganyan nga po yung size. Sila ang tinatanong sa inyo ni Attorney Ligotan. Huwag natin pag-usapan yung bigat, yung hugis.
Go into the weight later.
Halos ganyan po ba?
Ito po, Your Honor. Nakabalot po siya ng silupin.
Ma'am, kayo naman. Ay, makita niyo naman kung halos parehas eh. Para halos parehas po ba? Yun lang ganun kasimple yung tanong.
May similarity naman, Your Honor.
Okay.
May manggit siya. Lapad-lapad man ang parta.
Okay.
Thank you, Your Honor. Now, Madam Witness,
So, dito, halos pinakitaan sila ng pera. Hugis yung 1 million kung gaano ka pinakita yung itsura. Itong si Gina, gusto niya pang magano dito. Makikita niyo po yung ano niya. Siya mismo, nakita niya nakabundle ng plastic. Yung pinakita, similar po yung pinakita. Pero hindi po siya kagad sumasagot ng oo. Ibig sabihin, meron pa siyang, alam niyo na, baka magkasakit na naman ito. Sa 19 Congress, 20 Congress po sa TRICOM, doon po siya nagsinungaling at doon po siya nagkanda sa kitchen sa 20 Congress sa Kongreso mismo. Ito po hanggang dito na lamang, ano? God bless us all. Yung kaibigan Jesus, brother, Manny, babae.